If you want your skin to be popping and glowing this December, like you don't want your glow to go unnoticed, my dear, come close. Let me plug you to the best, simple, affordable, and most effective skincare products that will make you the center of attention this Christmas. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, if you're stopping by for the first time, please do not make it your last. Tap the subscribe button to join the farm, okay? And do not forget to also like this video because it gets to show that you really loved and enjoy watching it. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you get to see this face more and learn so much more on skincare. Now, today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get glowing skin on a budget, like all the affordable skincare products you need to have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin this December. Of course, you want your skin to be glowing and popping this December. Nobody wants to carry last now. So if you really want that beautiful, radiant, glowy effect, and you don't want to spend so much money on skincare, because we already know that T-pain is already paining everybody right now. That's why I've actually picked like 5 or 6 products that you can use on both your face and your body. And this routine is actually perfect for anyone that wants a glowing skin, and is actually suitable for all skin types and complexion. So whether you're a dark skin, fair skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone, this is a perfect routine that will give you a beautiful, radiant glow on your skin. When you wake up and look at yourself in the mirror, you'll be seeing this flawless, smooth, glass, glowing skin that people will be dying to have. So let's dive right into it. So the first product I have for you guys that will give you this beautiful, radiant, glowing skin that we are talking about is this Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap. Now, the alternative soap I have for you guys, if you cannot get this Dove Cream Bar Soap, is this Asante Papaya Exfoliating Soap. Guys, and this is actually a very nice and affordable bar soap that is going to give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Like this particular soap is going to gently exfoliate your skin while cleansing your skin. Like if you're someone looking for a radiant glow effect on your skin, papaya soap is the way to go. This particular soap is going to nourish your skin, brighten up your skin, and tone your complexion. So this is a very nice bar soap that you can use this period if you really want a beautiful, glowing skin. So any of the soaps will give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. These are amazing soaps that will help to moisturize, nourish, and glow your skin. Now, the whole essence of using those bar soaps in your routine is to help re-cleanse your skin and set the stage for other skincare products and give it a nice wash. So once you're done cleansing your skin with your body soap, the next product you want to go in with is your body scrub. And I recommend using the alpha arbutin sugar scrub. This is one body scrub that I've been using lately, and I honestly forgot how a sugar scrub feels on the skin. Using this particular scrub is going to help tone up your complexion. See, if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone and you really want to blend your skin and have a uniform glowing skin, then this alpha arbutin scrub is all you need. It's a very nice and gentle body scrub that will gradually exfoliate your skin, get rid of the dead skin cells. Like the whole reason your skin is not glowing is because you're not exfoliating your skin. So girl, do yourself a favor and add a body scrub in your routine, and you're going to love the brightness that comes with it. Immediately you're done exfoliating your skin is instantly going to feel super soft, smooth, radiant, and glowing. This is actually the secret ingredient that you will need if you really want a glowing skin. I'm honestly not kidding you. Body scrubs are the magic. And if you're not using one in your routine, try as much as possible to add this one. Or you can even get the School Spa turmeric scrub. I actually love this alpha arbutin one because it contains AHA and BHA, which are like your deep exfoliants. So you don't even need to rough handle your skin while you're scrubbing. You just need to apply this all over your body and then give it like a minute or two and rinse it off, and your skin is still going to get the same freshness and glowy feel. So in other words, this is a very nice scrub that will give you a glowing, beautiful, radiant skin, and it's pretty much affordable. I got this at the cost of 4.5, but you can get this at the price range of 4.5 to 7,000 or more, depending on where you're getting it from. But I got this particular one for 4,500 naira. So it's a very nice scrub that will glow your skin. Now, immediately you're done rinsing off your body scrub, the next product you want to go in with is your body wash. And honestly, I recommend using either this Frisia, their shower cream, or this Dove Pure Pampering body wash. Guys, like if you really want a smooth, glowy effect on your skin, body wash are essentials in your routine. Like if you're someone that does not enjoy using a body soap, you can also opt in for a body wash as well. Like you can use it as your main cleansing. Then once you're done exfoliating, just rinse off your body and get out of the shower. But if you're someone that loves to take a lot of time, pamper yourself and take care of yourself while in the shower and give your skin the tender love and care that it needs, then having this body scrub is necessary. Like once you're done scrubbing your skin, just take the shower gel and massage it all over your body, and you're going to love the feel on your skin. Now, let me give you the secret tip to using those products in your routine. If you really want to have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, and you're using this Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap, I recommend pairing or combining it with this Frisia shower cream. I recommend you pair or combine these two together. Honestly, guys, like if you should pair these two products together after taking your shower with your bar soap and scrubbing your skin, then finish up with your Frisia shower cream. See, there is no way your skin will not be popping. The way your skin is going to feel so much smooth, radiant, and glowy. You're really going to love it. And these two products smells amazing. Whenever I finish showering with these two products, guys, I get to feel the fragrance in my routine. And another secret combo that you will have to pair together if you really want a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin is to combine or use Ashanti papaya soap with your Dove Purely Pampering body wash. Guys, let me tell you, Ashanti lathers so well in the shower. And you guys know that this is a soap that smells like papaya. And once you finish having your shower with this, it actually helps to brighten and glow your skin. And it also tones your skin and gently exfoliates your skin. Now, imagine when you now go in with this Dove Purely Pampering body wash. That is a body wash that is known for its fragrance. Like, I always enjoy using this particular Dove Purely Pampering body wash because of how well it scents. Like, this gives me like that vanilla cocoa butter kind of scent, and I really love it. Like, your shower is going to not just be smelling amazing, your skin is equally going to be glowing. So get any of those combos in your routine and you're going to love the effect. Now, we already done washing our skin and exfoliating our skin. The next step in this body care routine should be your body lotion, and I recommend using the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream to add in all those moisture that your skin have lost. Like if you want a beautiful glowing skin and have people complimenting your skin, guy, I would definitely recommend you go try out this Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. The way this cream is going to moisturize your skin, and coupled with the December weather, like you can get away with using this in both winter period or Harmattan season and also in dry season. Like this is a very nice moisturizer and it's going to give you a perfect radiant glowy feel on your skin. This is a very nice moisturizing cream and I really love this cream on my skin. Whenever I apply this, guys, the glow you're going to be getting with this Nivea Soft Cream supersedes the effect of this Nivea Perfect and Radiant. Like this is my go-to product whenever I want to have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin and have people complimenting my skin. Another alternative body lotion I have, if you cannot lay your hands on the Nivea Soft Cream, is this Vaseline Brightening Body Lotion. This Vaseline Brightening Body Lotion is a really nice body lotion. Like when you pair it with all those products I've shown you, your skin is going to have you to thank for it. And all of this is actually going to be popping in 2 weeks. You just have to use this product in both your morning and nighttime routine, and you're going to love the effect. These two body lotions are amazing. So anyone you can simply afford, add it in your routine and you're going to love it. Now, for you to be able to top up this glow with skin, you need a body oil. And guys, my go-to favorite body oil that you really need this period is just this Pierce baby oil. You really need this oil in your routine if you want your skin to be glowing. This is a perfect oil for your winter Harmattan season, and that is because of how moisturizing and glowy is going to leave your skin looking. See, most times your body lotion cannot really do enough, especially when it's winter. Like, you guys know how dry the skin gets. Once you apply your body lotion, under 5 seconds, your skin is already looking white. Guys, if you want to prevent that, Pierce baby oil is the oil you should get. This body oil is going to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and give you a perfect glowy effect on your skin. A little of this actually goes a long way. So this is one body oil I'll recommend you add in your routine. Or you can even add Vaseline petroleum jelly this period and your skin is still going to be glowing. But please do not put your Vaseline on your face. Now let's get into the products you need for your face, because you also want to have that same glowy feel that you have on your body on your face. You don't want to leave your face looking ashy and with breakouts and all of that. So for you to be able to have that smooth glowy face as well, you need a face wash or a face soap. And honestly speaking, this Ashanti papaya soap can also serve as your face soap. This Dove cream bar soap can also serve as your face soap. So there is no need buying a face wash. But if you have money to splurge, you can get the T3 foaming face wash. Like, it's an amazing face wash that is gentle on the skin. Or you can also get the simple micellar face wash. It's also amazing and it will give you that glowy feel. Now, once you're done washing your face, the next product I'll recommend you use is your vitamin C serum. And I'll recommend using either the Lotion vitamin C serum, which retails at the cost range of 1,500 to 3,000 naira currently. So it's quite affordable and it's going to help brighten your face and give it a glowy feel. You can also get this Beauty Formulas glowing serum. This is also an amazing vitamin C serum that will brighten and glow your face as well. And if you're someone battling with acne, you just need an acne treatment product in your routine, please avoid using your vitamin C serums. Just use your face cream directly. So once you're done applying your vitamin C serum, the next or third product you will need in your face routine is a face cream. And this Nivea Soft Cream is actually very moisturizing and it serves as both a face and body cream. So you can use this on both your face and your body and you're good to go. You can also use this Vaseline Healthy Bright Brightening Lotion on your face because it's actually not labeled a body lotion. Now, the next or final product you will need if you're looking to glow up your skin and get that beautiful glowing skin is a sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen is a must. And this Beauty UV Watery Essence sunscreen is actually a must-have for anyone that wants to protect their skin from the sun. Now, if you cannot lay your hands on this Beauty UV Watery Essence sunscreen, you can get the Skin Aqua sunscreen with SPF 50. Guys, these are sunscreens that will help to protect your skin and give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. The fact that we are getting into the winter or Harmattan period should not stop you from using your sunscreen because the sun usually comes out as well. So you still need to protect your skin from the sun if you really want a beautiful glowing skin this December period. Like, all these products I've shown you is going to give you a beautiful glowing face and a glowing body. It's basically a routine that comprises of 5 or 6 steps and you're good to go. So if you really want your skin glowing, then add these products in your routine and you're going to love it. These are products that you consistently use for 2 to 3 weeks and your skin is already popping. Now, if you found this video very helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and please feel free to drop your questions right in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.